Welcome back, YouTube. Free Friday here. Just got back from the Blues Cruise. Got me a C harp. Gonna be playing in the key of G over this MCCD Sessions backing track entitled Blues Backing Track Jam Lounge Blues Shuffle in G. We are gonna be doing part 3 of our Butterfield study as a shout out to my man Brian C., who sent me a nice little tip when I needed it. It's Wednesday, I got to do the video now. I got the dentist tomorrow, so I don't know where I'm going to be after that. Here's the lick. So the main thing is 6 blow with a tongue block split. So a 3/6 followed by another lick that we learned in the Paul Butterfield part 1 video, or part 2 video, or just part of it, right? So here we go. Again, 3/6 blow split, followed by that signature bend lift thing that is so, thoroughly described in my previous other 2 videos, where that's very signature of Butterfield. If you don't know how to do that, go back and check out the other videos. And then he does it again. So all we're doing is combining that second lick with a 3/6 blow split. You hear me, Brian? So it's 3/6 blow split, 4 draw bend, 4 draw-ish, kind of comes up, doesn't all the way go up to a 4 draw, maybe a little, maybe just, it's just bends and then unbends and then bends again and then whips down past 3 to 2. Right, so it just kind of whipping by. So you got to hit that 3/6 blow split and then immediately jump down to that 4 bend, unbend it a little, bend it again, whip past 3 draw like it's not even there, on the way down the 2 draw. Right? And then one of the other things that Butter really did that made him so unique is he very rarely landed on the root like I am there. The root being 2 draw. He oftentimes would head up to the 3 bend or the 4 blow or both. What this does is it creates a question mark, making the listener want to hear a little bit more, waiting for that resolve. See how I did that? How I came back and resolved. First I went up, and then the next one I came down to that resolve. So it kind of relaxes. You hear that? He did that a lot. Now you hear that? See, now I'm just doing a little lick before that. So I could hit that 5 draw there too, instead of the 6 blow. This is the key to Butter. It's not so much memorizing lick for lick, although you should do that, but it's really getting used to the licks and how he used them and how he created emotional effect through tension and release. that's that 4-draw bend, 4 unbent a little, 4-draw bend, 3-draw, 2-draw, 3 half-step bend, 2-draw. That's where I'm getting with that resolve from. So I'm just channeling that Butterfield. Now, that's another thing he would do is hit that 7-draw, go down to the 6th blow. Right? It sounds just like him. 7-draw. I'm kind of tongue blocking it, but you know, just single note. And he did too, right? It's just so I can go back down to that 3/6 blow split. I'm not doing a perfect triple hole split, which would be. He didn't do that. He just went. You could lip purse it. It's just 7-draw, 6 blow, and then that lick. It's all in there. So right now, and that's it. Lick 1. Lick 2. Lick 3. Lick 4. All of them combined. That's it. That's all we're going to do today. I'm just going to keep it simple. Part 4, Paul Butterfield Lick. That's a lot. You get that lick, the rest of it's all going to come no problem. Have fun. Stay tuned for the credits. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in to Jason Ricci's YouTube channel. 16 years of incredible YouTube harmonica-related content. That's right, 16 years. At this point, over 500 free instructional videos. If you're interested in what kind of harmonicas I play, microphones, amplifiers, pedals, any harmonica related products, please check out my sponsors. These sponsors in one way or another also help keep these videos going. Who am I talking about? I'm talking about Blue Moon Harmonicas, bringing you the best in custom harmonicas. We got custom cover plates, custom combs, you can get your name put on it just like me. Reed work, refurbished pre-war marine bands. Look at that, they put the little brace there, no more crushing the covers. The Lone Wolf Blues Company, the very best in pedals, microphones, almost anything you need for your amplified harmonica need. The Lone Wolf Blues Company, right here out of Ponchatoula, Louisiana. We got you. Harp gear, amplifiers. They got big ones, they got small ones. You know what they sound like? They sound like the best tube amps on the market. Harp gear amplifiers out of Ocala, Florida. Pedal pad, pedal boards. Incredible custom pedal boards built to last, made by two brothers who really care. Hohner Harmonicas. A Mooncat loves the Hohner harmonica. I like the Marine Band. I get Tom to put the little special 20 cover plates on it. He tricks them out, but they play great right out of the box. All of these sponsors are linked below in the description box. What else is linked below? Patreon. Consider becoming a Patreon patron. You'll be supporting me. You'll be supporting the cause. You'll be keeping these videos free for everybody. And you'll get a lot of extra content over at Patreon. You'll get vlogs, occasionally some extra lessons, some posts that you might not see on Facebook. A lot of stuff that I can't say or won't say here on YouTube is over on Patreon. I love my Patreon family. You guys are the best. If you're not into the monthly subscription, you can also give me a one-time tip at Venmo or PayPal below too. I'm a touring musician and I play all over the country, really all over the world with all kinds of different acts. Check out my website, www.mooncat.org. In all seriousness, YouTube, Patreon, my sponsors have absolutely changed my life. Subscribe below, set reminders for the videos. Don't miss any events. Every single Friday there's a free harmonica lesson and a lot more. Even if you're just subscribing, you're helping me a lot. Those of you that are joining me on Patreon, you guys are helping me to make better decisions with my career. In all sincerity, thank you so much, YouTube, for just an incredible outlet. It's a video diary. I get to look back at 16 years of these videos. I had a lot of new friends, some really fine musicians, made some great contacts in the industry, and it's all because of you. Thank you, my harmonica family.